Right, here we go on Mad Mill at Duinrell. Oh, it's so dead tonight, like there's literally nobody about, but it's a good atmosphere tonight. What a brilliant machine this is. This is my first HUSS Frisbee. Yeah, here we go. Woo! Oh my goodness. Oh, I feel the G's. Oh. You can proper feel the G's on this. Oh my. Oh, the machine next to me just like tightened. Oh, here we go. Oh, the G's. That's about to go even madder. Wow. Woo! I'm slowing it down. I'm about to spin you right. Here we go. Oh! Hey! What a machine! Wow! Oh my goodness! It's about to go full power. My God, this is mental. Goodness! Way! Oh, that was mental there. No, it takes ages to slow down. That's alright.
Ich finde, das war eine sehr gute Fahrt. Ich habe mich geschrieben.